Beelink SER8 Ryzen 7 8845HS Review. Honest proof, this mini PC replaces your desktop. The Beelink SER8 Mini PC, AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, Wi-Fi 6, Windows 11, DDR5 official desktop computers, 5.1 GHz TPU, KE, UU, US plugs, is essentially a full desktop computer compressed into a chassis smaller than most hardcover books. It runs Windows 11 Pro straight out of the box, handles everything from spreadsheets and video editing to 1080p gaming, and connects to up to 3 independent 4K displays simultaneously. The aluminum unibody chassis sits quietly on your desk, drawing only around 65 watts under load, which is dramatically less than a traditional tower. Its 8-core Ryzen 7 processor boosts up to 5.1 GHz, giving you genuine speed for demanding tasks without the bulk. Imagine never needing a separate tower, a tangled cable mess, or a noisy fan interrupting your focus again. The biggest wins here stack up quickly and clearly. First, the AMD Radeon 780M integrated graphics deliver smooth 1080p gaming and fluid 4K video playback without requiring any dedicated GPU, saving you desk space and power costs simultaneously. Second, 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz means multitasking stays genuinely responsive, whether you have 20 browser tabs, a video export, and a virtual machine running side by side. Third, the 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD loads applications and large files almost instantly, removing that familiar waiting frustration entirely. Here is where it gets interesting. The USB 4 port running at 40 gigabits per second opens the door to external storage enclosures, fast docks, and even eGPU setups down the road. Fourth, Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet give you fast, stable connections, whether wired or wireless. Which of these benefits matters most to your daily workflow? Picture this scenario clearly. A freelance video editor was working late on a client deadline, frustrated by a sluggish old desktop that took nearly 4 minutes to export a 10-minute timeline. She hesitated before switching to a mini PC, genuinely worried something this small could not handle the workload seriously. That doubt is completely understandable. But after setting up the Beelink SER8 Mini PC, AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS, 32 GB RAM, 1TB SSD, her export times dropped dramatically. Her desk cleared up completely, and the fan noise she had learned to ignore simply disappeared. The turning point came the first time she rendered a full project, walked away to make coffee, and came back to find it already finished. That quiet shift from frustration to calm control is what this machine delivers consistently, day after day, without drama or overheating interruptions. After testing a few compact options, one thing became absolutely clear. Don't just pick any mini PC. Make sure it has a genuine 8-core Zen 4 processor paired with DDR5 memory, so you never waste your time on sluggish performance throttling under real workloads again. The Beelink SER8 Mini PC, AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS, 32 GB RAM, 1TB SSD, separates itself here with measurable proof. Independent reviewers recorded Cinebench R23 multi-core scores around 16,000 points, putting it ahead of many traditional mid-range desktop builds. A hardware publication described the unibody aluminum chassis construction as genuinely premium, noting the vapor chamber cooling system maintains full 65-watt performance without thermal throttling under sustained load. One verified long-term user shared that after months of daily professional use, including Photoshop, Illustrator, and Dreamweaver, the system had not shown a single slowdown or stability issue. Another user runs virtual machines alongside active work sessions and describes it as feeling like a full workstation. Comment below with 1 for speed, 2 for quiet operation, or 3 for the compact size to tell us what matters most to you. The Beelink SER8 Mini-PC, AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS, 32GB RAM, 1TB SSD, genuinely replaces a full tower without sacrificing performance, silence, or daily reliability. Thousands of creators, professionals, and everyday users are already running it as their primary machine with consistently strong results. It only takes a few seconds to see if it fits your setup perfectly. My affiliate link is in the description and pinned in the comments. You deserve a smarter workspace.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.